Hi everyone, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some fashion pieces which I recently got from Amazon. And for this video, I've partnered with Amazon to show you guys some really amazing and cool fashion pieces. Now, all of these pieces are like really stylish. They are supremely comfortable and I feel like they're sort of a must-have for this winter season. So if you guys are excited and want to know what all cool pieces are these, and they're very colorful, all of them. So let's get started. The first product to share with you guys is this sweatshirt. Now, this is such a cool sweatshirt from the brand Only. And the reason why I purchased this was because of this color. I'm someone who loves, bold and bright colors, and I really wanted to invest in a pink color like this. This I think is perfect for the winter season because in this winter season the trends have changed so much. People have started to wear bright greens and like neon pinks, and it's not just about neutrals this winter. The trends have started to change. Also, this color is so in trend these days, and that's the reason I wanted to have it. And while wearing it, just gives you that cool and casual kind of vibe. You can wear this with so many bottom wear. You can wear this with denims, trousers, oversized pants, which again are so in trend these days. So there are so many ways in which you can style this cool sweatshirt. Also, it's so comfortable to wear, guys. The material is super soft. It is, however, cotton, so you definitely have to layer something underneath, or you might have to layer it up with a heavy jacket, but it's very comfortable to wear. And also the MRP of this one was 2000 rupees and I got it for rupees 800, which I think was such a steal deal. My next piece is this beautiful sweatshirt that I'm wearing right now, and it's such a bright red color, exactly the kind of color I like. And it's not like in your face kind of red. It's a beautiful bright red, and it's from Levi's, as you can see already. And it's again such a cool sweatshirt, guys. There are so many ways in which you can style this. It's so comfortable. The material is absolutely soft. Of course, it's Levi's. These sweatshirts I think are perfect for your airport looks or for your road trips, and they give such a cool and casual vibe, and which I absolutely love. This sweatshirt was priced rupees 1999 and I got it for rupees 1000. The material of this one is a little bit thicker than the pink one, so you can definitely rock this sweatshirt in the winter season. And of course, you can layer it up as well. Like we all layer up our sweatshirts in the winter season, so you can definitely do the same with this one as well. My next piece is also a sweatshirt, and I promise it's the last. So this is from the brand Max. Now, I am someone who has recently started trying out Max sweatshirts, Max jackets, and they are very comfortable to wear, guys, trust me. And I wear a lot of like Max jackets at home, trust me. So this was one sweatshirt which I really liked, and this is such a simple, cute like blush pink kind of sweatshirt, and I absolutely loved it. And I really like this design over here. I think this makes this simple sweatshirt quite unique, and the design is not very intimidating. It's very soft, again, just like the whole look and feel of the sweatshirt. Also, this was priced rupees 1000. Okay, my next piece of clothing is this beautiful shawl right here, guys, and this is how the print looks like. You can actually wear it from both sides. It's a beautiful blue shawl, and I absolutely loved the print of it. The material is super soft, guys, and this is very lightweight, something which I really like. So if you are an office going person or a college going girl, you can definitely check this out, because for office and college, we can't really like carry something which is very heavy and yet something which keeps you warm, right? So you can definitely check this out. I absolutely love this. It also looks very stylish, and the MRP of this one was 550 rupees, which I think was very affordable. This is from the brand EKT. I have never heard the name of this brand, but I am so happy with the quality of this product, and I think you guys should definitely check this out. My last piece of clothing in this haul is this amazing pair of leggings. Now, I for the longest time wanted a very comfortable pair of leggings, not for workout, but for those long sweaters. And usually with long sweaters, denims look a little bit weird, and you might want to experiment with something which is more like slim fitted. And that is why I got my hands on these leggings. I mean, no doubt they are multi-purpose leggings. You can definitely wear them during your workout and for walks and everything, for road trips, as I mentioned already. They are very, very comfortable to wear. But I specifically bought them so that I can team this up with my longer sweaters and, wear boots. And this would give me like a, elongated look, because I am someone who doesn't like to wear longer sweaters with denims in general. And I like to wear my longer sweaters with something which gives me like a sleek look, something like this. And it's actually a task, I feel, to find a good pair of leggings. And the most amazing part about this pair of leggings is that it comes with 4 pockets. So it has a couple of side pockets and then a front pocket and then a back pocket, right? And the material, guys, is so soft, and trust me, it's so comfortable to wear. It's super stretchy, and these leggings come in a lot of sizes and in a lot of other colors as well, so you can definitely check that out. And these were priced rupees 2300 and I got it for rupees 1999. So alright guys, that was my mini fashion haul, and I am so excited with everything that I've got. Do let me know in the comment section which piece was your favorite, and if you wish to purchase any of these products, you can find the links of these products in the description box below. Also, Amazon is running a wardrobe refresh sale starting from the 18th of December, and you can get 50 to 80% off on all your favorite products. So make sure that you start wish listing your products right now, your favorite products right now, and you can start buying them whenever the sale is live. So that's it for this video, guys. Please share this video with your friends and family, and do give this video a big like, a big thumbs up. Also, if you still are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do. It would mean so much to me. And that's all for now. I'll see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye.